Hi everyone, welcome to a 10-minute daily ab exercise to get your abs toned and get your abs crunching. We're gonna start this off with mountain climbers with the timer being 45 seconds. If this is your first time, welcome. I invite you on this fitness journey. My name is Joy and I'll be your instructor today. We want to create a nice steady flow here in mountain climbers. This exercise is for 10 minutes, so we don't want to burn ourselves out. We want to keep it nice and paced. Awesome. Now we're gonna go lie straight on our stomachs. We're going to do an Indian push-up. So we're gonna move into downward facing dog. And then from downward facing dog, we're gonna exhale or inhale and go into upward facing dog. As we come back and transition into downward facing dog, I want you to pull your abs in to create that tightened core. And then as you're inhaling into upward facing dog, I want you to focus on tightening your core, pulling in that belly button, and having a slow and controlled movement. The next movement we're going to transition into is a side plank. Here you can have your forearm on the mat, making sure your wrist is in line with the elbow and the elbow's in line with the shoulders. We're going to make sure that we are tightening our core in this position. You can either have your top leg slightly staggered over your bottom leg like me, or if you really need help, you can bend that front knee to create more support if you're at a beginner level. Hold this one and you can do that. Just because we're not moving doesn't mean we're going to hold our breath. We want to have the steady inhales and exhales. Perfect. We're done with the first side. Now we're going to move to our opposite side to do side plank. Same thing here, making sure we're having our forearm flat on the mat. Our wrist is in line with our elbow, elbow's in line with the shoulder. We'll have that opposite leg completely extended into the air, breathing in from our abdomen and tightening that core. We're going to have our top leg set right on top of our bottom, and if you need modification, you can go ahead and bring that top leg in front of the bottom and bend that knee to give you more support. Wonderful. All right, you guys, our next movement will be cocoons. We'll be lying flat on our backs in this position. Our knees in 90 degrees, our arms extended. We'll bring our knees in, and then we're going to extend both our arms and our legs out. So on the inhale, extend. On the exhale, draw in. Inhale, extend. The exhale, draw in. Please keep that mind focused on the abdomen. strengthening your core. Wonderful. Our next movement we're going to do is flutter kicks. We're going to have our hands, our palms beneath our lower back, and then we're going to bring our legs in 90 degrees, and slowly we're going to do a wide flutter kick. As each leg lowers, you want to exhale. And as we bring each leg up, we're going to inhale. You guys are doing terrific. All right, our next movement will be mini crunches. And when I'm referring to mini, we're not going to come all the way up. We're going to crunch slightly up, just bringing our shoulder blades off of the floor as we're laying flat on our backs with our knees bent. We'll slide our palms from our thighs to our knee and then come back to the ground. Being sure to exhale as we come up and inhale as we lie our backs on the mat. The next movement we have is heel taps. Again, lying on our backs, we are going to rotate our upper bodies, tapping our left heel and then tapping our right heel, making sure we elevate our shoulder blades off of the mat just to keep that tension. And we are exhaling as we are rotating from the left ankle to the right heel. Keep it going. Keep that steady pace. Get those abs engaged. Breathe. Exhale. All right, we're gonna do ankle taps or toe taps. We'll be lying on our backs, having our legs in 90 degrees. I'm going to do my best to tap as close to my toes as possible. So if you can just reach your shins, reach your shins. If you can reach your ankles or your toes, then reach those. You're doing awesome. This is the final movement. We're going to slow it down a little bit when we go into roll-ups. We'll be lying completely flat on our backs. As we come up, Yes, we want to roll our shoulders back. We want to straighten our backs and then slowly bring ourselves forward to touch our ankles, and then slowly, controlled, relax back on our mats. So I wanted you to focus on breath and form and having that straightened spine as you come up and as you come down, bringing in that more tension and focus on that core in this slower movement that we're doing here. Guys, we did it. That is it for this video. Thank you for joining me. I really appreciate you. Again, my name is Joy and I welcome you here anytime. Have the best, beautiful day, and I'm here to help you get in the best shape of your life and have your best health. But for now, see you soon. Bye. Thanks for watching.